My name is Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield, and I am the MP candidate representing the People's National Party in East Portland. I think I am the best candidate to represent East Portland because of the many positives that I bring to the community. Having worked as a medical practitioner for 25 years, I am intimately connected and involved with the community and their issues. I intend to represent effectively as I see and recognize and am able to address most, if not all, the issues that are at hand and that the people have to contend with. The lack of development in agriculture and agro-processing, tourism, ecotourism, youth development, job creation, and all the other aspects of the community that need to be addressed. I am best able to represent because I live and work and have my daily life in and among the people of East Portland. I intend to address the issue of lack of hope, joblessness, a sense of learned helplessness that has engulfed the community at large because of the neglect of the present government. And so my first aim is to instill hope and to instill the idea that yes, we can, and therefore to motivate the community together with all its stakeholders to make sure that East Portland becomes the peaceful, progressive and prosperous community that I know it can be.